While pet insurance may not be something that you consider an important thing to carry, anyone who has ever had to get emergency services for a beloved animal will tell you that having pet insurance would have greatly relieved the burden of treatment. ASPCA pet insurance reviews give varying opinions, and much like any other insurance plan, there are pros and cons. ASPCA, also known as the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, is one of the larger providers of pet insurance. While this company provides insurance, they are also advocates against animal cruelty. When shopping for an insurance plan, this site offers 5 separate plans with varying levels of protection. All of the plans are set up to reimburse 80% of allowed expenses after a simple $100 deductible. Understanding your allowed expenses will make it much easier to select an appropriate plan to avoid frustration later. Much like going to the dentist or doctor without insurance, many people choose to wait until the problem has become exacerbated because the cost for treatment is so inflated. How many times have you thought to yourself that your pet needed a checkup or vaccinations, or even treatment for something more serious? Wouldn't it have been nice to have the option for at least minimum coverage? While premium plans may be overpriced and unnecessary, it may be prudent to get a minimal accidental plan. These usually fall in the price range of less than $10 a month, and should your pet get into some kind of accident, it is good to have that peace of mind. I wasn't always a proponent of pet insurance until my little Cocker Spaniel, Sadie, had crawled under my deck one night. I couldn't find her anywhere. Finally, I heard her crying. She was obviously very sick, and as a single mom, I just could not afford to take her to the vet. I cried with the pain of my decision. She had been bitten by a spider, and I could not treat her. Fortunately, she recovered. But it was a tenuous several days. I vowed that I would never have a pet again that I couldn't get medical treatment for. The cost of treatment and medications would have been several $100s, whereas I could have had preventative maintenance for a few dollars each month. Some of the stories of pets that have benefited from the insurance will make you a believer. ASPCA pet insurance reviews give reports of assistance with animals from shelters with a sketchy medical past, pets struck with a debilitating illness, and assistance for accidents.